Hey guys, Tessie Coin Hunter back again. Well, today we got a bit of a product review. On the way home from work, I dropped into Officeworks and I picked up this stapler. You might think, stapler, who cares? This is my old stapler. This one is supposed to do straight staples, so I'll zoom in. It's supposed to take out that kink, which when you're using 2x2s, and you have to staple them, which is rather annoying. So I thought, well, I went into Officeworks and thought, we'll see what they had. Asked the guy, and he said, yeah, you got a straight stapler. So I thought, we'll give it a crack. So it was at Officeworks, and it cost $41. Not a cheap stapler. Colour's okay, it looks pretty cool. I think it comes in a few different colours. It comes in like a red, a white, and a yellow, I think. Anyway, I'll put a link in the description to it. So I thought I'd give it a go. This is the old girl. I've been using these. So originally I went to 2x2s, and I was using the just normal ones. Like this, non-glue ones. And then I thought, save stapling, I'll use the glue ones. But then I find after a while the glue starts letting go. So I think I'll go back to stapling, but anyway, so I've got a really nice sort of 50-cent piece, not no mintage or anything, but so I wanted to put this in my collection. So I thought I'd test it out on the channel. Why not? Coin Hunter doing product reviews now. Okay, so this light is killing me. Hope you guys can see that, but if I can see what I'm doing, it'd be nice. Okay. Nice hard push. It's very hard to film and do at the same time, but you get the drift. Alright. Okay. So straight staples. I still a little bit up. Still think you have to give them a little bit of ply treatment. Maybe. Yeah. Just a tad. That's pretty good. Alright. I think you have to put less pressure on it. Okay. Alright, so we'll try it with the old one. Let's grab a random coin. This is a sticky flip, but doesn't matter. So I'll stick that in there. Now if I can get this flip over. Come on. Okay. Right. So I've got the old fashioned way. Now it does definitely sit up higher. So if I do okay, is that a coin? It's not a stick flip, but anyway, doesn't matter. The coin hunter tries to, show you guys what's good and what's bad. So I'll stick this coin there because this just happened to be the coin I had laying on my desk. All right, so I'll do it again. I'll do a better angle. That's better. Bit hard to see what I'm doing. Alright. So definitely, oh, that one didn't staple very well. I think that might be the angle. If I press harder on the table, maybe I can improve that. But anyway, what do you guys think? Oh, same one, idiot. Okay. Yeah, it still catches a little bit. That definitely catches more. I don't know. I think I'm going to have to persist with it a bit and really just see what I think. Obviously, you can still flatten those down. So you can sort of make this one like it. Is it worth the money? I think time will tell, guys. Seems to use a standard stapler. I bought these. So the stapler came with a few staples, but I bought these. I think you can use two different types. It will use 26/6. And if I find the box again, it will use 24/6. Now I don't know what the difference is. Like, maybe it'll work better with 24/6. I don't know. So I'm going to have to investigate that. I think this one is I'm going to have to trial for a while. And I'll zoom back out. See what I think. Is it worth the $40? I hope so. I really do hope so. I might try the different staples, see what happens. Yeah, I still think you're going to have to use the pliers a little bit though, but ow, yeah, don't know. I think I'm going to have to tell over time, guys. Anyway, hope you like this bit of a product review on this stapler. Let me know what you'd do. Would you stick with this one? Would you buy the new one? I don't know. I think this cost me $8 at the local post office. That cost me $41. I don't know. I think I'm going to have to revisit it. I think I'm going to have to use it for a while, try some different staples, see what I think. I was hoping I'd get away without using pliers anymore. This one seems to be the straight stapler seems to be a bit easier to push down. You don't dent the card. Sometimes I put marks on these, so I don't know, guys. Let me know what you think. Would you buy it? Would you not buy it? Would you stick? What do you use? Do you use the sticky ones? Do you use the standard stapler? Or do you use this form of stapler? I don't know. Anyway, guys, like and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one. Tassie Coin Hunter out. Cheers, guys.